Bonjour and welcome to another vlog from sunny Monaco. Thank you for being here and thank you for joining me yet again. Today I've decided to share with you guys my top 3 scenic walks in Monaco, and it was really hard to pick because Monaco is an extremely photogenic place, as you already know. But I think the reason that I picked these 3 particular walks is because I always feel like I'm exploring different sides and different aspects of Monaco when I go on these walks. So the first one that I'm taking you on is the classic touristy Monaco walk. So if somebody ever asks you, have you been to Monaco? And then you can say, well, of course I've been to Monaco, darling. The casino, the yachts, it's all just fabulous, isn't it? Yes, that walk. You'll see what I mean. This walk starts in the heart of Monaco, which is the Place de Casino. And it's amazing to me how manicured it is, despite everything that's going on in the world, despite there being not a lot of tourists, everything is still maintained to perfection, and you can really tell. Now, as you continue downhill, you'll be able to spot the interesting architecture of the casino itself, which was opened in 1863, I believe, and then the Hotel de Paris next to it, and obviously the Café de Paris. So they're all built in a very Belle Époque style. But then next to it, you're looking and you're thinking, huh, that's weird. There are a lot of glass buildings with reflective surfaces, there are designer boutiques and big brands with shops. Well, that is actually a pretty new development. That wasn't here when I used to live here, I think 13, 14 years ago. But they've just built it and it actually blends in really nicely. And it's really interesting to see that sort of juxtaposition, the old with the new working so well together. But you'll also be able to see the famous Hermitage Hotel on the other side. And then as you continue downhill, that's the second bit of the walk, and that's a totally different scenery. So definitely really interesting, a lot of great photo opportunities, and a really nice introduction to Monaco if it's your first time here. The next section of the walk starts right here in the port. This is the main port of Monaco. It's called Fort Hercule, and this modern looking building that you're seeing right behind me is the new Yacht Club of Monaco. The reason that I like to come here is obviously because you get to be close to the water, but also there's a lot of luxurious yachts, trimarans, boats, sailboats, bit of everything that tend to be docked out here for most of the year. This futuristic looking thing behind me is a ferry. It can accommodate 12 people and it's gonna run from Monaco to Ventimiglia. If you're a fan of where we left off, all you have to do is cross over to the other side of the port, and that is the starting point for the next walk. You ready? Very early on in the walk, I like to make a little detour to go up and see Fort Antoine. This is a fort that was built many, many years ago. I don't even want to say what century in case I get it wrong. But the sentimental value for me here is that we used to come here all the time as teenagers when I used to be at the international school, which is just behind here actually. So it's really nice for me to come back and visit it, especially when there's no one around. Hi, what do you think, my boy? What do you think, my love? Do we like it? Tyson? Okay, yeah, we like it. We like it, right? Okay, okay. Yep, I think that's a yes. What I personally love about this particular walk in Monaco is that there's nobody here. There are never any crowds. I've never really seen lots of people. I think that it's one of those places that not a lot of people think of when they imagine a walk along Monaco, because most people tend to go to the port or either to see the Place de Casino or the Princess Palace. So this bit gets left out, but it's so worth coming here. I mean, look! Stunning! Now, as I turn the corner, you'll be able to see my favorite view from this walk, and definitely one of the top photogenic views in Monaco, I think. That is the famous Oceanographic Museum, and we will actually be able to see it from the other side because the next walk starts from right up there. Now, as I just mentioned, the third and last walk starts from the Oceanographic Museum, but from the other side of it. So all you have to do is take the lift that takes you up, and you will end up in the old town of Monaco, which is on top of the rock. And yeah, it's really great. You'll see. We're gonna start at the Oceanographic Museum, which is extremely beautiful in terms of architecture, but even more wonderful if you want to go and have a look inside. But right next to it, there is a little garden that's called St. Martin's Gardens, and it is so beautiful. Once again, it's a location that's fairly peaceful and quiet compared to the rest of Monaco. There's never too many people around, and I almost feel like I'm at one with nature when I'm there, even though it's not the closest to the sea, but the views are spectacular, and the color of the water there is to die for. And then the grand finale, when you come out the other side, hold on, almost there. The other thing with this walk is you can walk straight through the park and get to the Princess Palace in a matter of minutes. This is a much nicer route to the Princess Palace than any of the other ones where it's just stairs, stairs, stairs. Alright guys, that is all that we have time for today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. See you next time!